Welcome to a mini jungle dedicated exclusively to Plumeria, and we're going to show you a few cultivars in the color pink. Pink is almost the most popular or the most common color in Plumeria after white, and there are a lot of different varieties. A lot of them don't have names, so we call them noids, no IDs. We're going to show you a few of them. This beautiful cultivar is known as Rang Siri Chok. It's originally from Thailand. It's a beautiful salmony pink with a slightly bright orange center. It seems to be quite a happy bloomer. Quite a few buds on this one inflow. Rang Siri Chok. This beauty is called Cancan Pink. She has these pretty star-shaped flowers with a bright yellow center. The petals are baby pink right now, but they can become quite dark with the heat. Cancan Pink has a beautiful fragrance, and she's originally from the United States of America. Very pretty cultivar. Cancan Pink. Here we have what we call strawberry bubblegum. It's a noid, it had no ID, but the flowers smell of a very sweet bubblegummy kind of flavor, strawberry flavor, so we decided to name it strawberry bubblegum. It's got beautiful baby pink flowers with this very powdery effect on the petals and a bright yellow center. It's an excellent bloomer. The flowers don't open fully when it's too hot, but now that the weather has cooled down a bit, they're perfectly opened, beautiful baby pink colored flowers of strawberry bubblegum. This beauty is a pink noid. We call it rainbow noid. It has a beautiful reddish orange center and huge flowers. It tends to throw out flowers on every single branch. We have a lot of flowers hiding in there as well. It's a beautiful one. We found this branch on the roadside and we rescued it, and it's rewarding us with the most beautiful flowers, our rainbow noid. Here we have Cled Tabtum. It's another beautiful cultivar. Right now it's a magenta color. It becomes a light pink when it cools down. It becomes an orange in October, and it actually becomes a beautiful lemon color in winter. Cled Tabtum. Stunning flowers, huge flowers, and very, very pretty. This is a beautiful noid. It's a noid pink, which we got from a very kind gentleman. And it's such a profuse bloomer. It seems to bloom the entire year through. It doesn't let go of its inflow. This is last year's inflow, and it's just been blooming right from the start of the season. It's taken on a really baby pink shade right now, but it becomes a nice magenta when it's very hot. And it has a lovely clove fragrance. It's really, really pretty. Huge inflow with a slightly hanging habit. Noid Pink. JG Super Round is an absolutely beautiful cultivar. It's also called J115. Has huge inflows, and again every single branch tends to have flowers on it. The colors vary according to the temperature. It can become a beautiful peach at times, and it becomes a dark magenta when it's really hot. Beautiful. Super Round by Jungle Jack's Plumeria. These beauties are called Kimi Morani. Huge flowers in a dark pink and a lot of six petalers. It's one of the Morani family. Scott Pratt was one of the parents of the Moranis, and this is really, really pretty. I don't know if you can make out the size of the flowers, but they're absolutely huge. Kimi Morani. Singapore pink in full bloom today. It's not been able to bloom for many days because we've had so much heat. It's just staying as buds. But suddenly today, all the inflows are in bloom. And it's looking amazing. And a nice dark pink. And there's another one at the back. It's a beautiful pink noid. It has quite a variation of color depending on the temperature. Pretty pink flowers with a yellow center. Here is a seedling of JN Dynasty Red Purple. It's our first seedling from this cultivar. It's got a very interesting shape, tends to become spidery, and pretty colors and a nice fragrance. Seedling of JN Dynasty Red Purple. This beauty is called Arangan. We got this from Thailand, and actually we got this as a cutting which started rotting the moment we got it, and we had to keep cutting it until we had less than 2 inches left, and we grafted that and it took, and we have a 3 branch plant now. This is the other inflow. It's quite an exciting story when you manage to save something that is rotting, and it's rewarding us with these absolutely gorgeous blooms. This beauty is Kanohe's Sunburst. Gorgeous, gorgeous pink and orange flowers. They're big in size. They have a beautiful fragrance. And it's such a profuse bloomer. Got this from America, from a very special friend. It's a really pretty one to have in your collection. Pink Pudica is such a beautiful cultivar. It's known for its fragrance, and it has these beautiful shaped leaves. Typically pink Pudica would be in this very light pink colored flowers, almost white, but due to the heat it gets these splashes which makes it look so exotic. It's a very pretty cultivar, and it's a very profuse bloomer. Tends to bloom on pretty much every branch. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.